Demo, I'll be showing how to deploy and verify a smart contract successfully on the Serato Explorer. To get started, I'll be deploying a basic ERC20 token which I created here as the currency, and I'm using ADAT as well as the OpenZeppelin standard ERC20 contract for this. So what I need to do right now is to run the deploy script here. And deploy this to the Quali network. So this command will actually compile the Solidity files and also display the deployed smart contract address here once it's successful. For other projects, you can find the metadata in the artifacts and building for directory, because this will be needed later on in the source code verification phase. Now we have our deployed contract address. Come back to Serato Explorer and search for the address. So here you can see the contract creation call for this particular token. Then the source code is not verified at the moment. So the next thing is to upload the metadata and the Solidity source files here. By doing so, you just need to locate the metadata file as well as the Solidity file for that contract. So once that is uploaded successfully, you can verify contract sources. Now the source code has been verified, and you can now view the Solidity source codes here for the contract as well as the ABI for this ERC20 token. The next thing I would like to do is actually interact with the contract directly from the Explorer. So you can see the read functions, which includes the allowance, balance of decimals, name, owner, and so on. So here, if I come to the owner and read, you can see the address of the deployer. You can check the balance for this particular address, and you can also perform write functions. For you to do that, you need to connect to MetaMask so that you can sign and confirm transactions. So because I'm not connected before now, I'll need to connect my MetaMask. And once that is done successfully, I can then interact by performing write operations. So let me transfer from to my address from this write confirm. So I come to MetaMask, I should be able to see that transaction. Send token transaction, and once this is done successfully, you can see this is the transaction hash, and you can find this. Let me open this in a new tab. You can find this here, and you can also come to the recent transaction and see the contract call transfer and view the hash. You can see the events transferred from this address to this address, even though it's the same address. So this is the value that was transferred, and that's basically how to deploy and verify a smart contract using the Serato Explorer. Thank you.